And here I am, and within an hour of my coming to Slovenia, I have a whole group of people here interested in what I have to say. And thank you very much for coming and for honoring me this way.
Se zahvaljuje, da kažete interes in da ga tudi spoštovanje na ta način, da ste prišli in da boste slišali, kaj nam ima povedati, in to šele 1 uro po tistem, ki priste v Sloveniji.
Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about Dr. Gerson, and then I'd like to talk a little bit about the Gerson therapy, and then with the translation interspersed, it'll be pretty quick. So we'll be moving along.
Torej, rad bi v svojem podelu pač nekaj stvari o dr. Gersonu, predvsem o Gersonovi terapiji, in tako da bomo mogli malo improvizirati z prevajanjem, ampak mislim, da bo kar šlo.
I grew up at the table, at the dinner table of my grandfather, Dr. Maxa Gerson. Dr. Maxa Gerson was I didn't know, he was just my opa. He was just my grandfather. But I didn't know what an amazing man he was until much later. When I was a child, I didn't know.
Torej, ko je bil otrok, je odraščal pravzaprav za mizo dr. Gersona. Dr. Gerson je za njega bil pač dedek, takrat se ni zavedal, kdo pravzaprav to je, in je šele veliko pozneje izvedel, kakšno vlogo je dr. Gerson.
Dr. Gerson was born in Wągrowiec in Poznan in Poland. Actually, at the time, it was Germany, but this was before World War I, of course, and it was at the time Posen, and it was Wągrowiec instead of Wągrowiec.
Torej, dr. Gerson se je rodil pred Prvo svetovno vojno v mestecu, za katerega ste slišali, kako se izgovori, jaz ne znam ponoviti. Takrat na Poljskem, ki je potem postal del Nemčije.
He got a very classical European education, German education. He showed very early promise as a mathematician, but his family saw that there were no Jewish mathematician professors or PhDs in Germany, and they thought maybe that was not a good thing. He was not going to have a future as a mathematician.
Torej, že kot otrok je bil zelo nadarjen, vendar njegova družina je smatrala, ker niso videli nobenega znanstvenika oziroma profesorja oziroma matematika židovskega porekla v Nemčiji, nekako, niso smatrali, da je to neka smer, v katero naj bi se dr. Gerson v mladih letih začel razvijati.
So he had an early love for healing and for nature and for animals. And he was always tending to any injury that his playmates got or his friends. He was drawn to helping them to heal.
Že kot otrok je kazal zelo veliko nagnjenje k naravi, k živalim, in recimo, če se je kdo od njegovih prijateljic poškodoval, je kazal nekako nagnjenje k temu, da bi jim pomagal, da se te rane zacelijo.
So his family decided that it would be best for him to pursue a medical education, because that was a profession that Jews in Germany at the time, and at the time it was a relatively oppressive atmosphere, that Jews in Germany were permitted to pursue without terrible interference.
Torej, na podlagi te nagnjenosti se njegova družina odločila, da to pa je neka smer razvoja, ki bi bila zanga primerna, ker so tudi videli, da so ljudje židovskega porekla v takratni Nemčiji lahko naredili kariero kot medical doctors, kot zdravniki, za razliko od tistega, kar si on na začetku želel.